Hello guys, good morning! Good morning! Magulang kami katapos fun run. Plano naman tayo mag-video sa matang fun run pero ang amon nga videography. Ang tagiya sa cellphone wala kabot. Magulang kami, ma-zoom pa kami guys.
Dari nga sa center, awang-awang din sa center. May pinakamanahal ka rin na sa Panginoon Award. May special award later. Move to your right, please. Students, move to your right. Sige mo, move. Okay, may bigan pakita niyo. Move pa nga sa inyo left. Move. Please go right. Ang sa likod na, please join na lang, join.
Oy!
Para hindi kita nagbuhay ka rin kayang dance steps natin, medyo. So, arms forward kita, arms forward. Arms forward na lang. Forward on the side, forward. Ay, ito din sa mga kamay.
Mazumba sila.
Naka-charge? Bakit na lang ba?
Hindi yung exposure. Kami na.
Give us, of course, the message. Sir, gusto ko, sir.
Mayanaga Engineering! So, we started the day right with our recognized engineering department organizations. MISU, the College of Engineering, was preparing this celebration of the Engineering Day. President, Master Consol, and head officers. And of course, your advisors, Sir Edward Magano, and also got to recognize our chairperson, Circus po, and the faculty who are here to support this activity. It's a day-long activity, no? Wala akong night ka nun. Okay, pero make sure that you have this day as a break from your usual academic activities. Yes, and all are expected to participate. No? Don't be such a wallflower at the side, and you need to get into the activities para hindi na masaya. Because hindi lang all study and work, we have some time to play also. And I hope you can arrive with such these activities that will give you a break from the usual academic stuff. And I hope it is long and you're excited to do your Zumba, and later on with your activities and contests, and make this a great day. Okay, thank you and good morning!
Alright, so thank you very much, Sir D. So, Zumba leaders, please proceed on the front. Di na kinaw music. Ready na? Ready na. Alright, so... Are you ready? Alright, so ready na sila. So please play the music.
guys, tapos tuloy. Anong mambal nyo kayo tapos ng pandan?
Pwede naman nakatawag.
Ano mambal mo na kayo nakapandan
Such a
ka?
wonderful experience here in Museum West Campus.
Anong mambal nyo kayo
5
nakapandan
p.m.
ka?
kami. 5 p.m. completers. Hi, Mulis! Hi,
Alright, so runners,
so exciting and very,
so thank you very much for coming here sa ating Fun Run Zumba. And of course, supposedly, may ice cream tayo. Yun ang ice cream. At sa left side, yung kulang kita ko, oh, move na lang. Move kita sa inyo mga kasama niya, right? Move. Kayo, back na siya. Move na lang, move.
Kaya, wala dito.
Guys, move kita din para sa inyo mga wala. Move, kayo pangyan. Mas maganda yung tao sa biyak. Move, move. Please move. Move na lang, move.
Di na makapagpicture ba?
O, sige na. Dito. Tabog ka na move.
May ano nga linya ka mo?
Runners! Ay, hindi na makita eh.
Guys, babaw ninyo. Ari ninyo.
Are, guys, ang mga gapila tupad.
You can see guys, sa sobra kong dalaga, nagka-biceps ako. Tapos, basa-basa buhok ko kay balas ko lang guys. I ran for like an hour. Kasi 10 km yung nirun ko. Hi y'all! Paano ang run? Ayun sila actually, they ran for like 1 kilometer only.
Bisan 5 plus 10.
Yeah, lamig lang ang lighting. Ikaw, ya?
Sino na daw? Si Jay.
Mga ano ka na mga beauty rest ka na guys. Kaya kinalan ko karon sa hapon magampang sang bongga-bongga.
Ay, ano daw ang ano?
MVP.
MVP mode.
Di ba na nakaon ka pa siya?